I'm making this video for you because I'm really impressed with this new product called Income Accelerator. And it's a bunch of different ways that you can make money using AI, including the fact that you can actually promote this same product yourself for 50% commissions on the entire funnel. So there's that as well, is that when you purchase this product, you actually get automatic approval to be an affiliate for the product and market it yourself if you want. That would be a faster way to make some money as well. But there are some really killer ways in here to make money with AI. And one of the things I love about AI is how fast you can do things, how much faster you can do things than you would normally, and therefore how you can speed up your income. So this product, Income Accelerator, what it does is it shows you several different ways. In a second, I'm going to show you behind the scenes. I'm going to show you the members area itself, so you can get a sense of what all you're going to get inside. But it says, as you can see, AI is everywhere you look. Some of us, especially myself, are using AI right now to make money. And so are these guys here, Trevor and Max and Kevin. So if you read through this page, you'll see the different ways that you can make money. For example, you could take a real photo, turn it into an AI image, in other words, a variation of that photo, and then turn that image into a Disney version of that same photo. That's one example. People pay for this, right? They'll pay for profile images that are in the form of a Disney or a Pixar image or whatnot. And this program shows you where you can sell those images and where you have an instant audience. But that's just one of many different ways. For example, another thing you get is 10 ways to use ChatGPT to make money. How to make money with MidJourney. I myself have created a course on that. There's so much opportunity there. Ebook riches, how to make ebooks very fast using AI. How to create viral images to explode your social media. MidJourney manipulations, plugins, how to create plugins using ChatGPT. So many different ways to make money with AI. And you're getting this program here for $12.95, which is ridiculous. So let me show you behind the scenes so you can get a sense of what is included and what you're going to get. So here is the members area. This is what it looks like after you purchase. And here are all the different subcategories. So they talk about a tool that you can use that actually creates video games, creates websites, creates all kinds of things for free, by the way. You can create AI videos in seconds. You can use avatar video creation. You can turn long videos into viral clips. Realistic text to speech, in other words, that'll actually create audio for you. Use AI to create all of your branding materials. 10 ways to use ChatGPT to make money. How to turn plain text into professional ebooks. ChatGPT hack for YouTube transcripts. Super powerful prompts. How to create unlimited viral image quotes from scratch for free using AI, how to get MidJourney inspiration and other MidJourney hacks, and also how to create that AI version of a real person into a Disney character. And that's what's included for just $12.95, which is ridiculously inexpensive. So I've thought about creating a similar program, but here it is. They've already created it, and it's such an incredible deal. So I strongly recommend this program. These are product creators that are top-notch, they're really well-known, and they're well-established, so you can trust that you're going to get amazing value from them.